U-Ebrahim waqala ukuzinikela emzabalazweni wenkululeko eseneminyaka e14 ubudala. U-Ebi njengoba aziwa kanjalo wayengomunye wabangena ophikweni umkhonto wesizwe ngo-1961 KwaZulu Natal. Ngo-1963 waboshwa waba umsola wokuqala ecaleni lasemgungundlovu. Kwathi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi wagwetshwa iminyaka e15 ejele eRobben Island. Nokuyilapha aphothula khona iziqu zakhe zemfundo ethola ama-degrees amabili.
He comes there and gives me a parcel which I put in my pocket, news, and then the warder decides to search us. So he says, please give it to this other chap, he won't be searched. And the chap wasn't searched.
We were searched.
We were searched. And immediately after the exams he gave me the thing back.
Lo wayengumengameli wezwe ongasekho Nelson Mandela wachaza u-Ebi njengomuntu obezinikele embuthweni.
He emerged there as one of the most outstanding pillars of the movement, who was not only committed and loyal, but who had the ability to explain the policy of the organization.
Akazange nje agcine ngokuqokelwa kosukuba yiphini likaNgqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba ngesikhathi kusaphethwe wayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma, kodwa wasebenza ngokuzikhandla ezinhlelweni zokuletha uxolo emazweni aphesheya.
He immensely contributed to the discussions of the International Relations Subcommittee in terms of the work that we do for the African National Congress, but also for South Africa.
Labo babesondelene naye bamchaze njengomuntu obewuthanda umndeni wakhe.
Was a very simple, humble person, quite modest and so forth. And of course, he was, very charming and so forth, but quite romantic as well, very handsome looking comrade.
U-Ebrahim ushiye emhlabeni unkosikazi wakhe uShannon kanye nezingane ezimbili.